सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं तत्र वयमद्य त्रिंशं श्लोकं पठितुं यतामहे। जानन्ति भवन्तः अस्माभिः विदुरनीतिशतकम् इति पुस्तकम् अस्माभिः पठ्यमानं वर्तते। एतावत्पर्यन्तं 22 श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः। 22 श्लोकैः सार्धं नैके श्लोकाः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः अपि अस्माभिः पठिताः। एकैकस्य श्लोकस्य विषयः तत्र भिन्नः वर्तते। भिन्न विषयान् तत्र पठन्तः अग्रे सरामः। इदानीं 23तमः श्लोकः। अस्मिन् श्लोके तत्र शीर्षकम् एवमस्ति, न विरोधः कदाचन। कदाचन विरोधः न कर्तव्यः इति तत्र तात्पर्यं भवेत्। वयं पठित्वा पश्यामः। श्लोकं पठतु भवान्।
संभोजनं संकथनं संप्रीतिश्च परस्परं ज्ञातिभिः सह कार्याणि न विरोधः कदाचन।
So the poem, we have been studying the Viduraniti, as you know. 22 poems have been studied. Along with 22 poems, we have studied several poems, in fact, relating to those 23. And each poem has a different caption, etc. Variety of poems are coming. So Padacheda would be Sam Bhojanam, Sam Kathanam, Pritihi, Parasparam. So here the topic is Gnati. Gnatihi. Gnatihi. Gnatihi nama close relative, kinsman, one's own, Sameepa Bandhuhu. Gnatihi nama Sameepa Bandhuhu. Sameepa Bandhubihi Bandhavaihi Saha Karyani na Virodaha Kadachana. Virodaha na Karyani. Virodaha Kadachana na Gnatibihi Saha Parasparam Sambhojanam Upari Uktani Sarvani Karyani Sarvani Karmani Karyani Bandhubihi Gnatibihi Prathama Panktau Uktani Tatra Uktaha Vishayaha Santi Kalu Te Sarvepi Vishayaha Gnatibihi Saha Karyani Parantu Virodaha na Karyaha iti. Sambhojanam Gnatibihi Karyam Karaniyam. Karyam nama Karaniyam Kartavyam. Samkathanam Gnatibihi Karaniyam Karyam Kartavyam. Evameva Sampritischa Gnatibihi Karya Kartavya Karaniya Parasparam. Parantu Kimna Karyam Kimna Karaniyam Virodhaha na Kadachana Karyaha. Virodhaha na Kadapi. Kadachana nama Kadapi na Karyaha Kartavya na Karaniyaha iti. Tatparyam Sarlah Arthaha Anvayartham Patami Parasparam Sambhojanam Cha Karyani Tatra Viramaha Bhavet. Gnatibihi Saha Parasparam Sambhojanam Karaniyam Samkatanam Sampritihi Cha Karyani Natu Kadachana Virodaha iti. So you put a comma there, Karyani. Kadachana na Virodaha Karyaha. If you take Karyani, then Karyaha it becomes. Virodhaha na Karyaha Gnatibhi Kadachana. Never Virodha should be done with the one's own kith and kin. One should never oppose one's own men. Okay, near relations. What is the, one should oppose them. The relations, close relations is the best relation. So, Samskrita bhavartha evam asti gnatayah nama bandhavah bandhavaah parasparam sambhuya coming together bhunjanaah enjoying kushala prashnan kurvantah asking each other about their welfare Preetya with love and affection, vyavahareyuhu, they should behave with love and affection, asking about each one's welfare and enjoying the company mutually. Kadapi, never, na kadapi, kadapi, parasparam virodham na kuryuhu. They should never have any kind of opposition amongst the relations. They should not have any opposition among the relation. So, gnatayah bandhavaah parasparam sambhuya samagatya bhunjanah kushala prashnan kurvantah preetya vyavahareyuhu kadapi parasparam virodham na kuryuhu gnatayah na kuryuhu iti tatra. So, that is it, very simple. So, Angla Bhashayam one should eat jointly, talk smoothly and be with affection, with the close relations, one's own close relation, one should never oppose them. That would be better. But more than the Mula Sloka, we have so many slokas coming up. Sambadha slokaha ekaha dvau tri chatvarah slokaha ekam tatra sloka bhagaha asti. Okay, you can read Sambadha.
Jnatayastarayantiha jnatayo majjayanti cha. Majjayanti cha suvruttastarayantiha durvrutta majjayanti cha.
Now something else said here, some other aspect of Jnatinam anyat rupam, Jnatinam anyat rupam atra varnitam asti. Kidrushaha gnatayah bhavanti. Okay, earlier it is said gnatibihi virodha na karyaha iti. Sambhojanam kartavyam, etat kartavyam, tat kartavyam iti. Parantu na tatra virodha na karyaha iti. Atra asmin sloke vidura maha buddhiman vidura evam kathayati gnatayah sandhi vichedam kurmaha gnatayah plus tarayanti plus iha. Gnatayah visarga Tarayanti plus iha. Tarayanti iha. This is Savarnadira Sandhi. Again, Gnatayah Majjayanti cha. Suvruttaha Visarga. Tarayanti plus iha. Durvruttaha Visarga Lopa. Durvruttaha Majjayanti cha. So, Arthaha Sarla Evasti. Gnatayah, by now you know who is a Gnatayah. Samipa Vartinaha Bandhavaha. Samipa Vartinaha Bandhavaha, close relations, Gnatayah. So, how do you derive this Gnati Shabda? Gnatihi, Gnati, Gnata. Kavi Shabda like. Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha. Gnatihi, Gnati, Gnatayaha. Samipa Varti, Samipa Bandhavaha iti. Tarayanti iha. Iha asmin loke. Asmakam gnatayah asman tarayanti. Our relations, our close relations, tarayanti means they surmount, make us surmount from the situations. Tarayanti means they deliver us, they protect us. Tarayanti nama, protect us. They protect, deliver us from difficulties. Apadbhyaha Asmakam gnatayah asman tarayanti utthapayanti uddharanti sorry asmakam bandhavaah apad gatan asman uddharanti upari nayanti apadbhyah upari nayanti tarayanti iti taranam kurvanti Gnatayah majjayanti cha te eva gnatayah yadi durvruttaha bhavanti. Condition is there. Gnatayah yadi durvruttaha bhavanti tarhi kim kurvanti te majjayanti cha asman. they also drown us. Our own relatives, if they are good, they deliver us from difficulties. If they are bad, durvrittaha majjayanti. Majja means, majjayanti means they sink us, they drown us, they lower us, rather they will lower us down. Suvruttaha. So, कीदृशाः ज्ञातयः तारयन्ति अस्मान्? सुवृत्ताः. सुवृत्ताः ज्ञातयः अस्मान् तारयन्ति. दुर्वृत्ताः ज्ञातयः अस्मान् किं कुर्वन्ति? मज्जयन्ति, अधोगतिं प्रापयन्ति. मज्जयन्ति नाम अस्मान् अधोगतिं प्रापयन्ति. They make us go down and down. Understand? This is very simple. If they are good, they will protect us, they will save us. If they are bad, they will make us go adhogati, right? Majjayanti means adaha patayanti iti. So this majjayanti, Srinivas, is a verb coming from masja dhatu. Masja, majjati. Nimajjana, we use the word nimajjana, Ganesh nimajjana. Yatra Ganesha vigraha sarva api sarve api tatra jale nimajjante na nimajjanti. So majjanti, majjayanti. But here majjanti is not the verb. Majjayanti means they make us. This is causal. They make us drown, they make us sink, they make us slow. That is a preranarthaka kriyapadam. This is nich prayoga we say. So then similarly tarayanti, taranti, regular verb would be tarati, tarataha, taranti, but tarayati, tarayataha, tarayanti. They deliver us. Like we say Taraka mantra. Ramanama is a Taraka mantra, is a mantra which delivers us, which protects us. So tarayanti is also preranarthaka kriyapadam. Causal usage is. This is not regular verb as such. Otherwise it is all simple. Suvruttaha, suvruttau, suvruttaha, durvruttaha, durvruttau, durvruttaha, suvruttam yasya saha survruttaha, suvruttaha, sundaraha, shobhanam vruttam yasya saha. One whose character is good. Vruttam means character. I think ahead we will come across a beautiful poem. I think we have already come now. Not come or oh, it's coming there. How there is a difference. The sound is similar. Vruttam is character, vittam is money. So Vidura only tells us how important it is not to lose vruttam. It is of no importance if you lose vittam. Both the words sounding same. Vittam is money, vruttam is character. So if you lose money, you will get money. But if you lose character, you won't get back. Character once gone, gone forever. Money gone means money will come back again. So there he shows very beautifully. Next, I will not quote that poem now. We will go ahead. So that is it. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So suvruttaha gnatayaha, what is given to understand here is asman tarayanti. Durvruttaha gnatayaha asman majjayanti. That's it. That is the only thing. Next poem we can take.
ज्ञातिभिर्विग्रहस्तात न कर्तव्यः शुभार्थिना सुखानि सह भोज्यानि ज्ञातिभिर्भरतर्षभः.
Again Vidura is so much, because why he is talking, Gnati means here Pandavas and Kauravas are Gnatis, cousins, isn't it? They are cousins, and there was such a great enmity. The Duryodhana was a great Dveshi, Krodhi, and all these things are applicable to Duryodhana, whatever Vidura is telling here. Even inside the heart of heart, even the king was also jealous of the progress of the Pandavas. So, Gnati bihi, will break this sandhi. Gnati bihi vigraha tata, this is Sambodhana, he tata, na kartavyaha shubha arthina, shubharthina, like Vidyarthi. Shubha plus arthina. Shubham arthayate iti shubharthi. one who is seeking good, one who is seeking his own fortune, he should not indulge in vigraha, in quarrel with one's own people. So why Vidura is insisted on this point that make your sons desist from quarreling with the Pandavas. Kauravas should desist from envying their own cousins and not get into trouble, not invite vigraha, kalaha. So here, Gnati bihi vigraha he tata na kartavyaha shubharthina. It is like a vidyarthina. You understand the word, Trutiya Ekavad. Dhritarashtra is Tata. Tata means here any elderly person can be said Tata. In Sanskrit, sometimes we address even a young child also as Tata.
But Tata means father, no?
Tata means father. Elder brother is father like only. Elder brother is, in the absence of father, is treated as in our culture as father only. Here it is also used addressing younger people, sometimes elders, and as you said, father also. Nothing wrong if the king is called father. King is the father of the people, and more so is his own brother here in the context. So, he tata, he pitaha, he bhrataha, jeshta bhrataha, gnativihi vigraha kalaha na kartavyaha shubharthina. Shubham ichchata purushena gnativihi bandhuvihi samipa bandhuvihi kalaha vigraha nama kalaha na kartavyaha. So one should not have any kind of quarrel with one's own near and dear people, one who is wishing for his own welfare. That is Shubham. Sukhani sahabhojyani gnativihi bharatarshava. This should be indulged in. Kartavyani, because already we have said. Sukhani sahabhojyani, already some bhojanam is there. So Sukhani kartavyani, sahabhojyani kartavyani gnativihi. He Bharatarshava, O best of the Bharatas, one should share the happinesses. Sukhani kartavyani means one should share one's happiness with one's own relatives, and also one should dine, eat together with one's own people. So same idea is echoed here, only first line is different. Then one line, only one line is.
Viguna hyapi samraksha jnatayo bharatarshava.
Viguna hyapi. Hyapi, he api. Ganadesha sandhi. Vigunaha, visarga, if you break there. Vigunaha, he api samraksyaha, visarga. Gnatayaha, visarga. Bharatarshava, he Bharatarshava. He Bharata Rishabha. Bharatanam Rishabha. One who is like a bull among the Bharatas. So Bharata Sreshta. So to say, Bharata se he Bharata Sreshta, he Dhritarashtra Rajan. Gnatayaha, relations. Samrakshyaha are to be protected. Samrakshyaha. Rakshitavyaha. Samrakshitavyaha. Gnatayaha samrakshyaha. They need to be protected. One's own relations, close relations, must be protected. Samyak rakshitavyaha samrakshyaha. This is, where are we? Yeah. Samrakshyaha. Vigunaha hi api. Even though they are having bad qualities. Even though they are bad charactered. Vigunaha api, hi api. Gnatayaha vigunaha api samrakshyaha he Bharatarshava. Even though the kinsmen or one's own relations, close relations are even though bad charactered, they should be protected. Because they are your family. Understand? Vigunaha, Durgunaha, Nirgata gunaha, Vigunaha api, he api, there is in he api, that is a sandhi. Vigunaha plus He plus api viguna hyapi samrakshyah gnatayo Bharatarshava. Well, you can take up the next Gita sloka.
Yeah. Shaknyoti haivayah sodhum
Prak Sharira Vimokshanat.
Prak Sharira Vimokshanat Kamakrododbhavam Vegam Sayuktaha Sasukhi Naraha.
Shaknoti haiva yah sodhum Prak Sharira Vimokshanat Kamakrodhodbhavam Vegam Sayuktaha Sasukhi Naraha. Iti Gitayam Bhagavad Gita Taha Svikritah Ayam Slokah Panchamadhyayah Sloka Sankhya Api Tatra Dattah Sankhya Api Datta Asti Shaknoti Sandhi Vichedam Kurmaha Shaknoti plus Iha Eva Shaknoti plus Iha plus Eva Yaha Sodhum Prak. This is one word. Prak Sharira Vimokshanat. Sharira Vimokshanat Tyagat Prak. Sharira Mokshanat Prak. Yaha Purushaha Manavaha. Iha Eva. Atraiva Asmin Loke Eva. Shaknoti. Kim Kartum Shaknoti? Sodum. Sodum Shaknoti. To withstand. Patirodhum, to withstand, one who is capable of withstanding before leaving his body in this world. Next line, Sandhi, Kama Krodhodbhavam, Kama Krodhabhyam Udbhavam, Kama Krodhabhyam Udbhavam. I think something like that we studied in the previous class. Kama Krodhodbhavam, Kamat Krodhat, Kama Krodhabhyam Udbhavam Jatam Sanjatam Utpannam. So born out of Kama as well as Krodha, Vegam, the impulse. The impulse. Here Vega does not mean speed. Well, any impulse, any emotion comes out with speed only. That is why the word Vega is used here. See, when you are emotional, it comes out, gushes out of your. When a man becomes emotional, what happens is emotion comes out gushing. So that is a speed by itself, isn't it? When man becomes overtaken by krodha, what will be the outcome? The outcome will be very forceful. So Vega only. Even if you take the meaning here, Vega means what? Speed. What is this speed? Emotional outburst. Emotional outburst. Could be due to Kama, it could be due to Krodha. Krodhatva bhavatu, Krodha karanatva bhavatu, Kama karanatah va bhavatu. So Kama Krodhodbhavam Vegam. That is, Vegam means, what we said, Balam. Vegam is Balam. Vegam sa yuktaha sa sukhi nara. So a man, yaha Purushaha Kama Krodhodbhavam Vegam Balam Sodum Shaknoti. Asmin Loke Yakkopi Manavaha Purushaha Kama Krodhodbhavam Vegam Balam Sodum Nirodhum. Sodum Nama Nirodhum Shaknoti Samartaha Bhavati Saha Yuktaha Purushaha. He will be called Samahitaha Purusha. He will be a yogi. He will be a person called Yuktaha. Yuktaha means one who is Samahita, one who is Yoge Yuktaha, one who is set in yoga. And the same person will be Saha Sukhi Naraha. That person will be also happy man. That means one who, in simple terms, a person who can control his emotions, like born out of Kama and Krodha, emotion, born impulse, born out of Kama and Krodha, one who is able to control, that man is termed as a yogi and he will be a happy man. So great lesson for us. If we can control our emotional outbursts, then we will be automatically situated in yoga and we will be happy also. How to be happy? Very simple, control yourself. It is, so to say, you control yourself, control your anger, control your passion, control your desires, then you will be the yogi and also automatically happy man. न केवलं योगी तत्र युक्तः समाहितः पुरुषः परन्तु सुखी पुरुषः अपि भवान् भवितुम् अर्हति. You deserve to be happy if you control. यदि कामक्रोधोद्भवम् उद्भवम् उत्पन्नं वेगं तत्र बलं निरोद्धुं शक्नोति भवान्. Understand? So that is very English okay na? That person who is able to control, withstand, right here means iha in this world, and before the one more point we have, before the dropping of the body, sharira vimokshanat prak purvam, before the dissolution of the leaving of the body, before the dissolution of the body, what is he able to control? The impulse, the outburst or the force produced by passion and anger. That man is truly called yuktaha, samahitaha, yogi, sukhi cha, and he is called a yogi and a happy man also. Well, so many things are said nicely. Next.
यस्य सुद्रवते चित्तं परदुःखेन सर्वदा इष्टार्थे यततेऽन्यस्याप्रेरितः सत्करोति यः.
This is Shukraniti. The text has changed here. Yasya sudravate chittam paradukkhena sarvada ishtarthe yatate anyasya satkaroti yaha. So first let us see first line. Yasya, no sandhi anywhere. Second line, ishtarte, ishta plus arthe, ishtarte. Yatate plus anyasya. Aprerita. Anyasya plus aprerita, savarna dirgha sandhi. Anyasya plus aprerita satkaroti yaha. Only two sandhis. Yatate plus anyasya plus aprerita. Ishta plus arte, ishtarte. Shall we show the, not necessary, na? Yatate anyasya. Nowhere we have written sandhis. Simple sandhis, therefore we are repeatedly telling them. Yasya, yasya means yasya purushasya. Chittam, mind. Paradukkena sarvada sudravate. Yasya manavasya purushasya chittam manaha paradukkena sarvada sada dravate sudravati. A man whose mind, heart or mind or oblique heart melts, because mind melts, we don't say heart melts. So chittam we can also put as heart, mind oblique heart. Mind is moved, heart is melt. We say mind is moved. The man whose yaha, yasya purushasya chittam hrudayam paradukkena paresham dukkena sarvada sada sudravate, melts easily. A man whose mind is moved by another's difficulty, a man whose heart heart melts by seeing others suffering. And second line, yaha, and one who ishtarte anyasya, anyasya yaha purushaha anyasya ishtha arte kim karoti yatate apreritaha yatate yaha purushaha anyasya ishtarte apreritaha, without being asked or prompted. Unprompted, and one who unprompted, unsolicited, unrequested prayatnam kurute, yatate nama yatnam karoti, aprushtah, apreritaha nama aprushtah eva, swayameva agatya, yaha swayameva agatya anyasya ishtarte sahayam karoti. So, yaha अन्यस्य इष्टार्थे अप्रेरितः अपृष्टः सन् अपि यतते प्रयत्नं करोति सत्करोति and he also helps. Saha he is a great man, understood. What is he is not said here. Yatate anyasya apreritah satkaroti yaha saha uttamaha purushah saha gnatihi athava he may be termed as a gnatiyar. So is it okay grammatically?
Yes.
So first line is like that. Yaha yasya chittam sarvada paradukkena sudravate, meaning is simple. Yaha purushaha अन्यस्य इष्टार्थे अप्रेरितः यतते सत्करोति च सः उत्तमः पुरुषः. So ishtartha means here desired object. If somebody is wanting something, you unasked, unsolicited, unrequested, without being requested, you go and help him out. So he is a wonderful man. Okay. Then Chaturvimshah Slokah. Atithi Satkaraha. So how to honor, here comes the sloka, how to honor the guests, Atithi. Atithi Devo Bhava. Veda says what Vidura is saying, let us see. Read, Srinivas.
Pītham dattva sadhavebhya gataya āniyāpaha parinirnijya pādau sukham prushtva
प्रतिवेद्यात्म संस्थाम not प्रीति संस्थाम ततो दद्यादन्नम धीरः. So many conditions are put here by Vidura. Pītham dattva, okay, padacheda will do. Sadhave abhyagataya āniya. What is next? Apaha parinirnijya nirnijya padau sukham pruštva prativedya atma samstham tataha dadyat annam avekshya dhiraha. So a wise dhira here, or a wise man, a learned man, well-behaved man, wise man, dhira is a learned man, a wise man. What should he do and how should he treat the atithi? Atithi devo bhava, says the Veda. So Vidura says, Pītham dattva. Okay, Anvayartha will read. Okay, let us see. Padacheda is done now. Isn't it? Not done? We have just done na? Okay, do. Sadhave
abhyagataya āniya āpaha parinirnijya pādau sukham prushtva prīti vedya atma samstham tataha dadyat annam avekshya dhiraha. Anvayah. Dhiraha sadhave abhyagataya pītham dattva apaha āniya pādau parinirnijya sukham prushtva atma samstham prativedya tadaha avekshya annam dadyat.
Here one thing we should make a note of here, Srinivas. This apa shabda is used, apas. This is pakaranta strilinga nitya bahuvachananta rupa. Pakaranta, apa. Apa shabda. This is pakaranta nitya bahuvachana. It is available only in bahuvachana and it is strilinga shabda. And I think there is a small printing mistake, or I don't know. Apaha is not correct. Apaha should be there. Apaha is prathama ekavachana. Prathama bahuvachana rather. It is nitya bahuvachana. So in dvitiya bahuvachana you get apaha. Apaha, apaha, adbihi, adbyaha, adbyaha, then you have apam, apsu. Yo apam pushpam veda. Apam, that is shashti bahuvachana. Apam, jalanam, up shabda, this is pakaranta strilinga shabda. Apaha,
no dvivachana, no ekavachana.
No dvivachana, no ekavachana. Nitya bahuvachanantaha. Nitya bahuvachanantaha. It is always available only in bahuvachana. Apaha, he apaha, apaha. Dvitiya bahuvachana is apaha, apaha. Adbihi, adbyaha, adbyaha, apam, apsu. Saptami bahuvachana is apsu. Only one line, bahuvachana line you get. Apaha, 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 adbihi, adbyaha, adbyaha, apam, apsu. So here apaha should be there because you can't use prathama. Apaha aniya, how do you say? Apaha aniya. Even in the text here, aniya plus apaha. You look at the text. Pitam dhatva sadhavebhyagataya aniya plus, how do you break there? Not with dirgha, with rasva. Apaha. Aniya plus apaha, aniya apaha. So this dissolving should be done like that. I will write also there. Before I forget. Aniya. Plus apaha. This is dvitiya bahuvachana. I may write also that shabda. Pratama apaha. Dvitiya apaha. Adbihi. Adbihi. Adbihi gatrani shuddhyanti. Adbihi. Adbyaha. I will put ditto here. Shashti. Apam. Apam apsu. Those of you who have Shabda Manjari, please look into that. Shabda Manjari. Shabda Manjari definitely gives this Shabda. This is Pakarantaha Strilingaha Nitya Bahuvachananta Shabdaha, which means water. From this only you get Apsarasa, because they are supposed to be born from water. Apsu Rajante iti. Apsaras, Apsaraha. Nymphs, water nymphs, they are supposed to be. Okay, Srinivas? No. Oh, sorry. So let them check that Shabda. So here on Bhavartha, Anvayartha you have done it.
Yes, sir.
You have done Anvayartha? No,
Yes,
not done. Padacheda you have done. Dhiraha you have to read now.
Yeah. Dhiraha sadhave abhyagataya pītham dattva
No, now you say apaha.
apaha aniya padau
Parinirnijya Sukham Pruštva Atma Samstham Prativedya Avekshya Annam Dadyat. So Padacheda Anvayartha is done. Now Bhavartha is that a learned person sadhave abhyagataya sadhave, for a sadhu, for a nice person, a good person who has come. Abhyagata means one atiti. Abhyagataya atitaye sadhave. Abhyagataya nama atitaye pītam dattva. First offer him a seat. Apaha aniya, bringing the waters. Padau parinirnijya, padau prakshalya. Give him a seat, get the water, wash his feet. Padau prakshalya, parinirnijya nam prakshalya. Sukham pruštva, asking about his welfare. Kushalam pruštva, atma samstham prativedya. You also talk about yourself. And then tataha, then avekshya, then seeing his condition, annam dadyat. Annam dadyat, annam bhojayet. Make him eat.
Avekshya.
Avekshya, seeing the condition. Then you see the situation, if he is willing to. So let us read the Bhavartha.
अतिथि पूजन क्रमः अस्मिन् पद्ये उच्यते यदा अतिथिः समागच्छति.
When a guest comes,
प्रथमं तस्मै आसनं समर्प्य.
First offer to him a seat. Tasmai asanam samarpya, having jalamaniya. One should do wash the feet, bringing the water. Next. Vidhaya. So, tataha thereafter, tadiya kushala prashnam vidhaya, asking about his well-being. How are you, etc. Swiya kushalatam cha, telling about your own good. Tadiya
apekshanusarena.
Tadiya
apekshanusarena tam bhojayet.
Tadiya apekshanusarena, as per his expectation. Tadiya anumatim. Tadiya anumatim puraskritya. Tadiya apekshanusarena tam bhojayet. You should make him eat. Clear? So here Bhavartha is there. So that is it. I think English translation is okay and nothing to add here. Only Abhyagataya here, a well-behaved or a wise, that you can substitute with a well-behaved or a wise person, a learned person should first offer a seat to the good guest, to the guest, wash his feet by bringing water, inquire about his well-being, mention about one's own well-being, should then offer him food as per his requirements. Oh, many. Sambadha slokaha tatra eka dve tri chattar pancha shad, no? Five. Pancha slokaha santi sambadha. Ekaha mula slokaha pancha sambadha slokaha. Idanim patatu ekam. Manusmriti, Viduraniti, Chanakyaniti, Shukraniti. Okay, fine.
Sampraptaya
Twatitaye Pradadyad asanodake
annam seva yathashikti
Satkritya vidhipurvakam. So in nutshell is also telling us more, because this is from the same, this is from Manusmriti, sorry. Sampraptaya twatitaye tu atitaye. This is Yanadesha Sandhi. Sampraptaya tu atitaye. Tu plus atitaye twatitaye. Yanadesha Sandhi. Sampraptaya means samagataya. Atitaye. This, both the words are in which case? Chaturthi. Sampraptaya atitaye. Pradadyat. Padachedam will do first. Pradadyat asana plus udake. Asanam cha udakam cha asanodake. This is a samasa. Asanam cha udakam cha asanodake. Why dvitiya? Because there are two things only. And both asana shabda, udaka shabda, both are napumsakas. Asanam asane asanani. Udakam udake udakani. Asanam cha udakam cha asanodake. Asana as well as udaka. Even Manu also says the same thing. First give him a seat, asana, then udaka, water. What is the importance of water? Water refreshes. In those days, people used to come long distances walking. On coming, if you welcome a guest, give a seat, his tiresomeness will be half relieved. And then give him water. If you wash his feet, well and good. Otherwise, water to drink at least, to wash himself. Then it will be more relaxing. So, asana udake. Pradadyat. Now, pradadyat. Yachet. Atitheyaha Atitaye, the host should give to the guest pradadyat. Kim pradadyat? Kim yachet? Udakam cha, asanam cha. Asanam cha, udakam cha. So when a guest comes home, first you should offer him a seat and then water. That is the first line. Second line. Annam cha eva. Vriddhi sandhi. Annam cha eva. Annam cha eva yatha shakti. There is no compulsion here. Yatha shakti. It all depends on your capacity. If you are a poor man, whatever you have, you can offer. Yatha shakti. Shaktim anatikramya. Not going beyond your capacity to feed him. See, the achara here doesn't say that you go and get some vegetable biryani to the visiting guest. No. Whatever is your capacity. Yatha shakti. Understand, Srinivas? Annam chaiva yatha shakti satkrutya satkaram krutva. First honor him. Having honored the guest, atitim satkrutya atitehe sanmanam krutva annam cha yatha shakti vidhipurvakam dadyat. You give him as per the procedure. So first welcome him with a seat, give him water, as per your capacity, as per the procedure, you give him whatever you can, not beyond that. Annam cha eva yatha shakti satkritya sanmanam krutva vidhipurvakam, as per the rule practiced in those days, one should offer. So is it clear?
Yeah.
Anything more you think not explained here?
Satkritya.
That is a levanta, lep prayoga. Satkaram krutva. After honoring. What is that? Anything came in the main Mula Shloka? Sukham pruštva prativedya atma samstham sadya abhyagata aniya apaha parinirnijya padav. No, nothing less. So satkritya means after doing the satkar. Next poem.
Navai swayam tadashniyaditithim.
No. Navai swayam tadashniyad asniyad atithim datitim asniyad atithim yanna bhojayet dhanyam yashasya mayushyam
swargyam
chatithi pujanam. So Manu also says in the same chapter, Navai swayam tad, breaking, Navai swayam tat ashniyat. This is the word. This is one word. Ashniyat. Na vai swayam tat, tat plus ashniyat plus atithim yat na bhojayet. Atithim yat na bhojayet. Yat annam atitaye na bhojayet tat na asniyat. One should not eat the food which you do not give to the guest. So Navai, vai means here, this is a Pada Purana, sometimes used as an emphatic word. Vai means indeed. Navai swayam tat asniyat. One should not eat by himself that which is not given to the guest. There will be disparity, na? See, you eat nice food, but to the guest you give some. That's it. So, Navai swayam tat asniyat. Asniyat means ashadatu, asnati. Khadet. Khada. You take simple vadi gana dhatu. Khadet. Na tat. Navai swayam purushaha. Purusha understood. Purushaha navai swayam tat bhunjita or khadet yat annam understood. Atitaye na sambhojayet, na bhojayet. Bhojayet is also causal here, which is not fed to the guess. One should not eat that. Next slide. Dhanyam yashasyam. Dhanyam yashasyam plus ayushyam swargyam. These are all. Cha atithi pujanam. What is atithi pujanam? He is speaking in the second. Atithi pujanam, atithinam pujanam satkaraha kidrusham bhavati dhanyam asti. This is a blessed act. Because yashasyam, it brings about your yashas. It promotes your fame. Yashase hitam. It is good for your yashas. It leads to your yashas, glory, fame. Not only that, ayushyam, it also brings about your long life. Ayushyam. Atithis pujanam nama, atithi pujanam nama, na kevalam dhanyam, yashasyam, ayushyam. One more thing is swargyam. It also takes you to the Swargaloka. Three things are there. Atithi Pujana brings about your fame, your long life, and it promotes you, it takes you to the Swarga. It leads you to the Swarga means it leads you to the heaven. Cha Atithi Pujanam. I think some sandhis, you tell me, I'll write. First line lo one hai, any?
Plus ashniyat plus atithim.
Ashniyat, which means khadit. This means that. Next.
Ashniyat plus atithim.
Okay. Atithim.
Yat na.
Atithim, there is no sandhi nahi hai. Yat na. Next line. This is first line.
Yashasyam.
Ayushyam.
Swargyam cha chati. So cha plus atithi. Cha plus atithi.
Swargyam.
There is no sandhi there.
Okay. Swargyam cha.
Cha plus atithi. Puja.
Atithi. And this follows. Okay. Yashasyam ayushyam swargyam cha atithi pujanam. Atithi pujanam nama dhanyam bhavati, yashasyam bhavati, ayushyam bhavati, swargyam bhavati. Ayushyam means ayuhu prayojanam asya asti. Promotes long life. Ayushyam. Yashas, Ayush, and also Swargyam. Well, the next poem is big poem. You can take up. Viduraniti only.
Yasyodakam madhukarkam cha gam cha na mantravit pratigruhnati gehe lobhad bhayadatha
Lobhat bhayadatha karpanyato va tasyanartham jivitamahuraryaha. Vidura says here in the last chapter, I think 6.3, yasya, now break this and this, yasya udakam madhuparkam no sandhi, cha gam cha na mantravit pratignath no sandhi. Lobhat becomes lobhad. Bhayat plus atha. Bhayat panchami. Bhayat plus atha. Bhayadatha. Karpanyataha. This is Visarga Sandhi. Karpanyataha va tasya Sandhi anartham. Tasya anartham. Anartham jeevitam plus ahoho plus aryaha. This only we have to break and show them. Here is onion. Huh? What is the word I removed? Not necessary. They may look up. Atitim. Acha, I wrote it. Okay, right. Tell me now.
Yasya plus udakam.
Yasya udakam. That is a simple sandhi. Yasya udakam.
Then third line, lobhat.
Lobhat. Sorry.
Bhayat plus atha.
This is not good. I will write with black one. I am not comfortable. Lobhat. Bhayat.
Plus atha.
Atha.
Karpanyataha. Anas karpanyataha.
Karpanya.
Then tasya.
Tasya.
Plus anartham.
Anartham.
Then jeevitam. Plus ahuhu. Plus aryaha.
Is it okay? Jeevitam ahu aryaha. So what Vidura says here, Yasya, opening with Yasya. Yasya namakasya grihasthasya. Yasya grihasthasya. Of which householder? Yasya grihasthasya udakam jalam madhuparkam. No, madhuparka is dadhi sarpir jalam kshaudram sita. These are panchavihi. These all together we call madhuparka. It was given in several occasions to give a welcome a guest. Dadhi is curds, yogurt, sarpi is clarified butter, jalam water, kshaudram is honey, madhu, sita is sugar, white sugar, sita, sharkara, sita is sharkara. So honey, sugar, water, ghee, clarified butter, ghee, and then honey, curds. So, yasya grihasthasya udakam jalam madhuparkam. Well, in madhuparka jala is also there. Jala to udakam is to wash hands and feet. So, yasya udakam jalam madhuparkam cha gam cha. Whichever householder, if he is giving to the guest, yasya kasyapi grihasthasya udakam jalam madhuparkam gam. Gam is cow. See, to a guest one may offer, if he is the host is very rich, he may give a cow also. Gam cha na mantravit. Here mantravit means mantram vetti iti mantravit, Veda Panditah. So Veda Panditah na Veda mantravit nama na Veda Panditah pratigruhnati gehe yasya gehe. Take that word, first word. Yasya grihasthasya gehe mantravit Veda Panditah udakam na pratigruhnati madhuparkam na pratigruhnati gam apicha na pratigruhnati. Okay? In which householder's house a Vedic scholar does not accept these things. Water, madhuparka or a cow. Lobhat, out of lobha. Bhayad, atha, or out of fear. Karpanyataha, or out of any pity. Karpanya has two meanings. Poverty, also pity also. Daya, karpanyataha va, or either out of lobha or out of bhaya or out of pity, compassion. Tasya nama, tasya anartham jivitam. Tasya anartham jivitam. So whichever Vedic scholar does not accept, so what will happen to the householder? Tasya grihasthasya anartham jivitam. His life will be a waste. Ahu, who are saying? Aryaha, learned people, Buddhaha, Panditaha, ahu vadanti. So the wise learned people, elderly people say that a man whose these things are not accepted by a Vedic scholar, that person is doomed. So tasya grihasthasya anartham jivitam bhavati ahuhu. Ke ahuhu? Aryaha ahuhu, Buddhaha ahuhu. Atra vayam sthapayam. We'll stop here. Shubham bhuyat.